What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you another amazing tool I believe everybody should know about. So today we're going to be discovering SendAnywhere. And as the name suggests, this tool is going to allow you to send files basically anywhere, whether you want to send a file from your phone to your computer, from your computer to your phone, from a computer to a computer, from a phone to a phone. You're going to be easily able to do this with this specific tool out here. So you can check it out at send-anywhere.com, and it's quite easy and quite straightforward. So when you want to send a file, all you have to do is to click on the plus button, and it's going to load the file onto their servers and allow you to send it basically anywhere. So you can equally drag and drop a file like I'm doing right now. Drag and dropping a file. It says to me that the format is not supported. Okay, so after changing the format of the file, as I was saying, you can go ahead and just drag and drop the file or click on the plus button, and it's going to upload your file, and you'll be able to see it from here, data.zip. And so it's preferable to zip your files before sending them, or you can as well just line them all there in the supported formats. So yeah, so once you do that, as you can see, I have not yet logged in. I can send files without being logged in, and I can equally log in to have access to additional features. So once you put your file in here, it's ready to be sent. All you need to do is select an option here. Do you want to send it through a direct send, through a link, or through the email? As you can see, the link and the email are grayed out, and that's because they are only accessible when you have created an account and logged in. But right now you can send a file directly without having to log in into an account. So we are going to go ahead and send this file. I'll just click send, and it's going to just show us an ad for a couple of seconds, and that's just it. After that, the file is going to go. You click on skip once that's done, and now it's sending your file. So now once your file is sent, it's going to generate you this key, which you basically need to receive the file, or you basically need to communicate to the person to whom you're sending the file so that they can receive the file. And on their end as well, they are going to go ahead and click on input that code to receive the file. So yeah, as you can see, we're going to just get this code. It's copied, and then once you open another interface, you're going to click on this receive and input the key to download. So you input that key, you click on this download button over here, and it's going to download the file, after as well showing an ad for a couple of seconds. So yeah, when that's done, we skip, and that's our file which is loading. As you can see, it's 150 bytes like the other one, the 150 bytes. Yeah, so you see we have just received that file. It has just downloaded right now. So that's how easily you can send a file from one device to another, from one place to another, anywhere in the world without the help of anybody. You know, definitely there are services like Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive you can as well make use of, and definitely I will recommend those as well. They work quite well. But this one as well, you can do it in a couple of seconds. The other ones, I believe you have to go through a lot of sign-ups and everything. But this one, in a matter of seconds, you can do it as well. So I definitely recommend this option for lightweight files and files which you don't really have access to them on a regular basis. Files you just need to send quickly and easily, maybe from your phone to your computer, and just like that fast. But if it's for files that you want to have a recurrent usage, or you want to share with people so they can have access to it on a regular basis, I'll definitely recommend options like Google Drive and OneDrive, which are from reputable companies or from major companies. So definitely check out this tool. It's an amazing tool. I definitely make use of it on a regular basis. So that's pretty much it for this tool. I hope you make use of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.